I think my feeling about clinical trials when I was first told about it is the perception that everybody has, that you're going to be experimented upon and you're a lab rat. And the Cancer Center certainly changed my mind about clinical trials.
The University of Illinois is staffed with highly specialized clinicians and research support teams who are able to provide cutting-edge therapies for the management of cancer.
My cancer is prostate cancer. I was diagnosed in June of 1996. I remember it very specifically because it was on the day of my 30th anniversary, and I can't tell you, the test results were quite a shock to me.
I was diagnosed with cervical cancer in 1975. It was stage 4.
Being in a clinical trial was an easy decision for me. I think why is simply I knew my therapy at the time wasn't going to work. The chemotherapy was certainly not something that I looked forward to, the chemo beyond what I was taking. And bluntly, I wanted to take some control over where I was headed.
When I was first told about clinical trials, I really didn't understand. Then the doctor explained to me the pros and the cons, and I decided on the pros.
Patients who participate on clinical trials may enjoy several benefits. First, they are provided access to drugs that are not available to the general public. This access may provide them with overall improvement in their outcomes.
I am now 8 years in remission, which is the biggest reason.
I decided to be in a clinical trial for the simple reason that I was very young and I wanted to see my kids. I wanted to see them grow up. I wanted to see my grandkids.
Patients who participate in clinical trials are under a greater degree of scrutiny and monitoring than patients under standard of care. This too may improve overall quality of survival.
The staff was very good. They were always attentive to you. They wanted to help you. They wanted to make you comfortable. The doctor would be checking other patients. He would drop by and see how you were doing, no matter what time it was. And you felt like they cared. There's not very many people that care about other people. It's a job. But these people do not take it as a job. They take it personal. They want to help you.
I was very glad to participate in the clinical trial. I felt that the people down here were just wonderful.
Finally, patients who participate in clinical trials may benefit society overall by advancing the science of cancer management and treatment.
Everyone who can enroll in a clinical trial. That way some drugs and medicines which are sitting on shelves can be taken off, tested, and then used to help mankind and certainly advance medicine.
At the University of Illinois Cancer Center, if they ask you to take a clinical trial, go for it. Because they are the best people there is. That's my opinion, and I'm pretty sure it's the opinion of a lot of other patients.
My clinical trial experience at the University of Illinois Cancer Center was terrific. I couldn't have asked for a better experience.
I decided to go for the clinical trial because I wanted to live.